Laitkam byllai multiple job vacancies ki jeng pentip Laitkam kumba chipau teling la bulang ha kaneka video ka bamanta kumai iran neka wei ka kam office assistant and clerk hapo district legal services authority West Cass Hill district Nongstoin kaneka wang terus na nyau tarik banai chipau arajar arpusan tentang ki don si kam BPO service boy sinrang kan thai pa maulai na hu the caregiver housemaid babysitter anta kaneka way hapo ka BSc Culinary Institute ya pachua kaneka way kaneka top banengkong la bolang arteli kini ke pentep Laitkam ka banengkong day work interview la syai kasing arpenyo tarik an international BPO in Shillong is looking for freshers and experienced candidates with good communication skills qualification 12 pass and above excellent command over the English language kajing si country hajar plus incentives kadai night shift job pick and drop kin sapan beng taka portrait kadai nado karpon interview kadai nado ispau baje step hadu baje sni. There will be few more interviews in the next coming days. Suppose that hiring will be closed for this year. Pastang kan non sni kan khang no ya kaneka kan kajing khot terawa Laitkam and ka BPO taka ne kadai hapo ignited mind first floor rob me building above Burger Sing Laitkam main road. The same ka way bakbatho income opportunity kane ka khot application nakabenta kumba sau pongot program for 40 plus kadai nam takitu bla dap sau post nam strong kaneka kam nakabenta kito ba sau post nam strong baki bala retired senior citizen at Barik Parkside building opposite Lady Hadri Park second floor kata hak arpenyo tarik banai bakandai ar lasya kasngi hak por khatoi ar bajemen sngi pur number kandai nyau sa iway praar not la hinyaw la na hau number and riu kandai not kandai way alai san riu lai tegine gede kicing pentep Laitkam ki banjia la syai kasngi haka arpunyaw tarik September arajar arpusan kene gede hapo Barik Parkside building pada sedawai pakadai hapo United Mind Rob Me building first floor Rob Me building Laitkam tengah pet saya top ke baar haka top ke baar la bulang yang kena kecing pentep Laitkam kena ke baningkong kadai bala pentep daga Ranger Security and Services Organization kena ke court application nam taga post technician endoscopy ki bala tebet highly skilled bakal tebet kecing siu kadai komba ar ponyo hajan rius pa lai pau man bunai pila ban kontak nam tajing teb khamde hau number nyau riu ar khandai nyau riu sau not riu tarik kado ban kontak ban wajing tep kadai ar punai tarik bunai September hajar arpusan tesang na way pat kadai urgently required arteli ki post teaching support with industry experience and 3-year BSc Culinary Institute graduates to teach bakery banikai bakery and food production. Interested candidates can send the resume to Unique Shillong @yahoo.com on or before 30th of September 2035. Kena tarik kado kedai live tarik September arajar pusan. Tesakna waipat experienced person from life insurance or general insurance or bank or financial institution or teachers etc. can apply for the post of manager positions kajing siu kumba sau pau hajar hado nyo pau hajar man bunai pun hau number kandai pran riu lai r iway pran nyau sao na kabenta ka jingtip ka bakambria tikini lightly ki jing pentep bagi buah ka top kawai jong ka technician endoscopy tarik kado kadai kandai 3 September arjar pusan kanai kadai jing pentep ng baga Ranger Security and Services Organization dalam tanah arteli ki post technical support kibaran industry experience bat balada pule ka BSc kabalais dan BSc Culinary Institute graduates kani live tarik September arajar pusan tarik kado kanai ka waipat dai nam ta kito badan experience insurance sing hikai haki bank ban apply nam ta manager position kajing siu sapo hajar hadu nyo pau hajar Temantang yapat saya nak top kebalai ngala bulang kini kajing pentep Laitkam lightly kena kawai batho job offer caregiver housemaid babysitter needed kidan kam caregiver housemaid lane babysitter. Stay in with full accommodation, kana apan biang pakai accommodation nanta ka tulop ro ka biang with decent accommodation, decent salary, with EPF and insurance. Guarantify Net Prime Private Limited, kana kadai ka company kadai Guarantify Net Prime Private Limited. Kadai ka bridge connecting service persons with customers, reliable opportunity for stay in work. Laban contact number riu khandai not saw nyo la riu khandai not r saw not kajaka try dia pos long. The second way pat kabato don't come experience service boy laban pun how number khandai saw la riu khandai lai r san khandai na benta kajing tip kabakam nia. The second way pat kadai bato don't come kena tray don't come kena tray la benda gikin thai bagi senrang don't come lang kan thai bagi senrang ha kajaka katray ka badai po maulai ne hu la ban phun ho number pra nyau san nyau yui nyau na ka banta ka jing tip bakam ne ha ka bedai bat kan kam badan kam kena tray kan thai bagi senrang po maulai ne hu. Teman-teman, ngenyepat pasal ni katop pasau, katop babut. Kanai kejing pentep, Laitkam, office assistant dan clerk. Naka District Legal Services Authority West Castle District nang Stein. Tarik wang interview kadai nyau tarik benai Oktober R1000 pusan. Ka wai ka post ka balai nta ka jingsi man benai kadai khat prahajar sispa san pau. Educational qualification bala pass graduation, basic word processing. Magla pass graduate sejarang gila pantap nta ki banang basic word processing skills and the ability to operate computer and skills to feed data. The good typing, speed with proper setting of petition, ability to take dictation and prepare files for presentation in the courts, file maintenance and processing knowledge. Each as per existing government rules. The work profile keeping updated record of legal aided cases, uploading the updated record progress of the legal aided cases of NALSA, portal and digital platforms as per directions. Kita deki work profile. Tengin ya kane ngin sabuk ka link hapo description. Kenang gitu giba don yaki kerdan pule bat kebadan itu ki skills ba repair kembadawa ha kane ka jing pentep kila pencap. Kila ban pule kamre bat bakila ban like me syaka work in interview kaban kaba kinsa pelong haka hanyau tarik Oktober ara cara pesan. Kita pakai deki notes kejing item kamre syusuk sahabe dai banek ka jing pentep Laitkam happen biang ki kod kesla wanra ka standard form application with self attested documents, 2 passport size photograph and demand draft is passport mar happen biang demand draft is passport ban drawn in favor of District Legal Services Authority Nongstein nang ta ka demand draft shall be drawn on after the publication of the advertisement. Kamot ka demand draft ka ban long hadin ka jing pentep ya ka advertisement. Tegi tekane ka jing pentep na ka District Legal Services Authority West Castle District Nongstein. Desa kana wo ka away ka jing pentep Laitkam bat kana ka elevate foundation we are hiring kana ka Jakarta ka hapo Kohima Nagaland kadai full time tegi kambala ini programs lead, academic lead, program manager, program manager, academic track, senior manager, finance and accounts. Tarik khato kadai pusan tarik Oktober pusan. Mantep ba company bat ban apply kadai happy apply syakato ka website ka ba teng www.nagaed.com/career. Te tangki ne hi kijing pentep Laitkam yidon ban ash pi kinong pat ha kan ka video ka bamanta. Ku blai sibon ya pi bar ro ki bapai.